In this question, we are given that if a merchant purchases a sofa from a manufacturer for 400, so basically, and he's selling it, we have to find out the selling price of the sofa. So basically, the cost price for the merchant is $400. We have to find the selling price. Now, since not much information is given in the question, let's move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. In statement 1, we are given that the selling price of the sofa was greater than 140% of the purchase price. So, if we translate the given statement to an equation, we have the selling price to be greater than 140% of the cost price or the purchase price. Now, from this, we have SP is greater than 140 by 100 times 400. Zeros gets cancelled and we have that SP is greater than $560. Now, the selling price can be any value. It can be 600, 650, 623, 700 and so on. Hence, from statement 1, we do not get a unique value. So, statement 1 is not sufficient. And are given options. We eliminate options A and D. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. In statement 2, we are given that the merchant's gross profit from the purchase and sale of the sofa was 1/3 of the selling price. Now, what is the profit? It is selling price minus the cost price. Now, according to statement 2, we are given that this is equal to 1/3 of the selling price. So, we can write SP minus CP equals 1/3 SP. Now, when we substitute the value of CP, which is 400, we get SP minus 400 equals 1/3 of SP. Now, this is clearly a linear equation in SP. And it's able to solve this equation and find out the value of the selling price, which will be a unique one. So, statement 2 is sufficient, and thus the correct answer is option B.